Here's a crew on the Sierra Northern Railway. They're actually replacing some deteriorated track here at their yard in Oakdale, California. If you notice carefully, that machine is actually picking up the rails and securing the ties. It's amazing. This is regular railroad maintenance that we ordinary people don't even think about. That gravel there that's just been laid down, that's called ballast. The track is laid down with just absolute precision. The inside width on standard gauge railroad track like this is 56.5 inches, or 4 feet, 8.5 inches. They actually assemble the ties and the track and then place it into place, and then this machine secures it. At least nobody's having to lift the track, and there's not a whole lot of manual labor going on here, like in the olden days. Well, thank you for watching the video.